Hi friends, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And today I wish to talk about one of the health tips. It will help to improve your bone and muscle fitness. So these tips will help you for the person, those who affected by the leg pains and aged persons, and it is good for growing children also. So kindly watch this video clearly, then start your process. Okay, before you start this process, you have to do some things. If you do the things only, this will be workout. Once you will wake up at the early morning, before you start this process, you have to drink a glass of warm water. Drink of having warm water is very good and important for our bad content will be removed, which we take the food at last night. So after you remove the bad things from your body, after 1 or 2 hours, keep your body normally without eating anything and drinking anything. You can drink only water for 2 hours. I mean, for example, if you wake up at morning 6 o'clock, take a warm water after you wake up. Until 8 o'clock, don't eat any food, even no coffee or any other drinks. You can drink only water for 2 hours. So it is good to remove your bad cholesterols and blood vessels from your body. Now I give you the remedies and tips for the strengthening your muscles and your bones. It is very naturally, there is no side effect, and it is very good for your body. Take a cabbage, take a carrot, and take a beetroot. Carrot, radish, and beetroot. Okay, take the carrot, cut it well, and take the cabbage, cut it well, and beetroot, cut it well. Make it chop, make it boil. Make it boil until it will mash. The three vegetables has to be mashed. After that, add here 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients together in a mixer, and you can drink it for weekly 2 times or 3 times. But don't drink daily. Maybe for 3 times to 4 times maximum you can drink. If you drink Monday, give a gap on Wednesday, Tuesday, and take it on Wednesday again. Like that, 3 times you can try this one. Really, your body will be getting very strength. Your muscles should be getting strength. Your joint pains all will be relief. And for the growing children, it is good for your brain also, and it is good for your eyes because there is a carrot vitamin is there. So please try this method. But which I told you before, for the first 2 hours after you wake up, don't drink any coffee or tea or whatever it is. You can drink only a warm water and leave it for your body for 2 hours in an empty stomach. After that, you drink this one, it will be 100% workout. After you can drink this one, you can eat anything as you like. So once you will take this one for weekly 3 days, means monthly, 12 days. So within a month you can find a good result. Kindly watch my videos for the new updates, and please like, share and comment, and I need your support always. Thank you so much. Have a good day.